video. It is the weekend here, Sunday, August 27th, and me recording this video. But I wanted to make a video here as we do head into the new trading week on Ttoo Biosystems, TTOO stock, sitting at 36 cents, 37 cents after hours is how it closed here on Friday. And for TTOO stock, and I want to reiterate that, throughout my last month or so covering this stock on this channel specifically, I have really grown very bullish here on Ttoo Biosystems stock. Honestly, it's like more of a long-term type of play here. Obviously, it's trading at 36 cents, and some things need to happen. Obviously, one being Ttoo Biosystems to get back above that $1 price point, so it can remain listed on the Nasdaq. Obviously, it also has had some things to say about November 20th being a specific date on when it needs to be back trading at above that price. So again, they do have a lot of time from that until now, but I do want to just go over a few things in regards to Ttoo Biosystems as we do head into the new trading week, and hopefully we get some good news this week in regards to the FDA clearance as well. But yeah, just drop a like on this video, you guys. Just gonna keep this video as short and concise as possible, but let's get into it. So this article here on News Medical Life Sciences, it's on news-medical.net, and the title of this article: New trial data validates a rapid diagnostic test for sepsis. Okay, so critical care physician Hollis O'Neill at LSU Health New Orleans School of Medicine presented data validate a rapid diagnostic test for sepsis at the American Thoracic Society 2023 International Conference, etc. Let me just see. The IntelliSpep test is a microfluidic test that measures the biophysical properties of white blood cells, leukocytes, in conjunction with the other laboratory findings and clinical assessments to aid in early detection of sepsis. Dr. Neal led the perspective, all right, so on and so forth. A total of 572 patients were enrolled in EDs for medical centers in 4 states. Sepsis was the final diagnosis in 152 patients, which was 26.6%. The prevalence of sepsis in Band 3 was 79 of 160, which is 49%. Band 2, 28%. Band 1, 11.1%. Emergency physicians diagnosed sepsis in 52 of 152 patients with sepsis and 24 of 420 of patients without sepsis. So just take that in, you guys. Emergency department, they were able to diagnose sepsis in 52 of 152 patients that had sepsis. So 100 patients with sepsis were undiagnosed, right? So you can see here the quote, the direct quote from Dr. Hollis O'Neill, the medical director of research at LSU, a major health teaching hospital in Baton Rouge, right? This is talking about sepsis specifically. Every minute counts when it comes to sepsis diagnosis, and EDs operate under major time and resource constraints that could impact the patient outcomes. These results validate the efficacy and efficiency of the IntelliSpep as a diagnostic aid that may improve the sepsis triage when incorporated into existing clinical protocols. So I think what this article is alluding to here is, I guess there's another. Actually, let me actually see something on this. I think there is actually another. The seps, whatever this one's called here. I'm gonna go back and find the tweet I found this. It's called the IntelliSpep. So I saw someone tweet this out. I'm gonna find it for you guys really quick here. Yeah, so federal contract has a lot of controlling organizations and businesses working together on sepsis research. TTO is one of them. Here's the article that relates. Google the contract, see for yourself. Data drives narrative now, right? So all this data that is being collected here, without question, I think adds to the value of TTOO stock. Like TTOO stock and Ttoo Biosystems, what they're working on here is massive, and I think it really continues to go undervalued and underrated. When people talk about T2O stock, they just talk about the financials, the shorts, the sellers, the retail, all that, but when you take a step back and you do a deep dive into the company itself and what they're actually working on, and it's something narrative that I've really had on this channel now for a while now, it absolutely speaks volumes. Then I just wanted to share this tweet here as well. This is John Spurzl here talking to someone, I'm not sure on what platform, but you can see here Ttoo Biosystems, very caring CEO. Tim Sweeney, the blood culture-based standard of care is failing patients, payers, and providers. And this is the CEO, you guys, of TTO stock. Sepsis is the number 1 killer in U.S. hospitals, killing 270,000 Americans annually, another 80,000 in hospice. Sepsis is the number 1 cost of hospitalization in the U.S., costing our healthcare system $62 billion annually. Sepsis is the number one cause of a 30-day hospital readmission, causing nearly 20% of sepsis survivors to be hospitalized within 30 days, 40% to be hospitalized within 90 days. Rapid diagnostics are essential to reducing costs and improving outcomes, and they are also key to unlocking the power of antimicrobials and reducing the threat of AMR. So all this taken in, you guys, the data, what the facts are here about sepsis and how crucial and how important it will be to be able to diagnose sepsis early on, I think she goes without being said here. Extremely bullish sentiment as we head into this new week. Hopefully we get some good news. Just wanted to make this video to share with you guys here on a Sunday. Hope everyone's having a great weekend. Drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.